In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove the clicking sound on your Samsung keyboard. You can simply disable the vibration and clicking sound on your Samsung keyboard in just a few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, you will have to tap on the notifications option. On this page, select the option of Do Not Disturb. Make sure to enable this option on. Just slide this button to your right. When enabled, the clicking sound of your keyboard will get disabled successfully. Put in mind that also calls, notifications, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow will all get muted. If you head into your keyboard, the clicking sound will be disabled, but the vibration will still be enabled. To remove the vibration, just head into your control center and select your phone to mute. The vibration will also get disabled. That's how easy it is to remove sound on your Samsung keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.